Hello friends, Hasteni Jobs YouTube channel lo norojotno lamsogo fighting kesang tene High Court of Tripura ni bising tene katal job ni notification nalenai notification korkha 22 August 2022 tarikh no korkha advertise number jatango lajak 9 for recruitment to the post LDC na lajak 9 in Tripura Judicial Academy no lajak 9 o post ni bagai jang online freshers application ma khainai application khaina bagai High Court of Tripura ni website jatango website habaina application ma khainai ta post ni bagai age limit nangnai 18 years ni simi 42 years juratai te ST HC rongke 47 years juratai jara tongnai o post ni bagai apply khaimanai fighting ke jang category wise full details nalenai the category of post ke group C non gazetted name of the post ke lower division clerk LDC na lajak nai the number of vacancies tongnai 2 scale of rajak nai 21400 per month rajak nai duita post ni bisingo ekta post tongnai unreserved category ni bagai te ekta post reserve rajak nai ST category ni bagai pani ka o post ni bagai education qualification nalenai education qualification nanai graduate khlaija tongke nora o post ni bagai apply khaimanai te logeo norok ni computer course ni certificate nangnai eba typing speed part ni 40 word tongna karang nangnai application fee nangnai unreserved category ni bagai ke 300 tai ST HC ni bagai ke 150 rupees te sakangko nora o post ni bagai written screen test lajak nai MCQ type 100 ta questions tongnai 100 ta questions ni bisingo tongnai English grammar general knowledge aptitude reasoning tongnai 100 ta questions 50 mark ni tongnai te 50 ni bisingo written screening test dra unreserved category ra 60% te ST HC rongke 50% lagai qualify khlabani pore nora written test ni bagai appearing khlaijaknai te written test lajaknai written test tongnai English 25 mark ni comprehension reading ability and Bangalore to English translation ni test khaijaknai obne oloke computer typing speed ni bagai test khaijaknai 25 mark ni online application khaina bagai der jatongo 29 August 2022 sarik 4 ni simi te last date tongnai 26 September 2022 sarik 4 jora noro online application khaimanai admit card download khaina bagai High Court of Tripura ni official website no notification rejaknai te test center time and duration admit card na mention khaijak tongo ni saja friends noronogoi makana High Court of Tripura ni bisintina LDC job ni katal notification o mai katal job ni notification naina bagai Hasteni Jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai support khaidi।